A lot of people use third-party apps to unfollow everyone on Instagram, and a lot of people got their account banned because of that. So don't do that, guys. Here is a solution, guys, for this. You can easily unfollow everyone on Instagram at once. This is, guys, a new update. Just follow the steps in this video and you will be able to unfollow everyone on Instagram. So follow the steps, guys, and you will be able, like I said, to unfollow everyone on Instagram. Now I'm going to click my profile picture at the very bottom right, and as you can see, I only follow 12 people. I used to follow like 3,000 people on Instagram. That's a lot. And whenever I go to my following list, I click on my following list, I always try to unfollow, I always click on following. Okay, following. I click on that and it takes forever. Okay, it takes I can just unfollow like 3,000 people. It will take me at least one day. So the solution, guys, for this is to click three little lions in the top right. Click three little lines in the top right. After that, guys, you want to click on settings. So like I said, guys, don't waste time downloading third-party apps because they are going to get your account banned. So just don't waste your time. Here is a solution, guys, I found to unfollow everyone on TikTok. Okay, now what you want to do, guys, you want to just click on help. As you can see here, it says here help. Now you want to click, guys, on report a problem in the top. Now click on report a problem without shaking. Now after that, guys, you want to click on don't include and continue at the very bottom. Now here you have to tell Instagram that you want to can you unfollow everyone on my account? I don't want to follow anyone anymore. Okay, just type here, can you unfollow everyone on my Instagram account? I don't want to follow anyone, I need help. So you just want to type here, I need to explain to them. You don't have to type the same thing. You can just explain to Instagram that I want to unfollow everyone at once, everyone at once. I can't do that one by one because it will take me a long time. So like me, I just typed here, how can you unfollow everyone on my Instagram account? I don't want to follow anyone, I need help about this. Okay, so that's what you need to do, guys. And then after that, you want to click send in the top, guys. I understand how you feel about this. You have like thousands of people and you just want to unfollow everyone, but it takes forever. So here is, guys, a solution. Just follow the steps that I showed you in this video and you will be able to unfollow everyone on Instagram. Now after that, guys, you want to click on send in the top and you have to wait 24 hours and then you will get back to you, guys, with a solution. And make sure to check your inbox and you will send you a message on how you can unfollow everyone on Instagram. So make sure to drop a like, guys, and subscribe to the channel. Leave a like and come back to this video within 24 hours and let us know in the comments, guys, if it worked. Okay, I would highly appreciate that. Let me know what phone you have in the comments. I will reply to you, guys, because there are a lot of tips on how you can unfollow everyone on TikTok. It depends on your iPhone or Android phone. Just let me know what